Good evening, students. This is Hariom Guruji. Today, our topic is how to change interrogative sentence into statements in indirect speech. Interrogative questions are of two types: WH questions and yes/no questions. First, we will discuss about the WH questions. So, let us start the WH questions. How a WH questions is reported. The following pattern is used to report a WH question. Remember the pattern? Ask plus person addressed, WH word, subject, man verb, full stop. For example, Sita said to Gita, "Where do you live?" This is a WH question. In indirect speech, it will be Sita asked Gita where she lived. सीता गीता को कहिला तुमे केउठारे रुह। सीता गीता को पचारिला से केउठारे रहुथिला। So remember the steps. Indirect question रे reporting verb said परिवर्ते asked व्यवहार होईची। Step number 2 WH question टी sentence form को परिवर्तन होईची। Pronoun you परिवर्ते pronoun she व्यवहार करा जाईची। Indirect question रो verb subject possessive adverb गुड़िक स्टेटमेंट रो नियम अनुଯାयी परिवर्तन हुए। टेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट रो सिंपल पास्ट को परिवर्तन होईची। प्रश्न चिन्ह परिवर्ते पूर्णच्छेद व्यवहार होईची। क्वेश्चन मार्क परिवर्ते फुल स्टॉप व्यवहार होईची। Let us see once again. Said reporting verb said परिवर्ते asked व्यवहार होईची। पर्सन एड्रेस्ड गीता जहाँ अछि से परि भावरे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे ओल्हेची। WH वर्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे जहाँ अछि इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे मध्य तहाँ अछि। प्रोनाउन यू परिवर्ते प्रोनाउन सी व्यवहार करा जाईची। कहना एठी ऑब्जेक्ट हमर गीता जणे बालिका तेणु प्रोनाउन सी व्यवहार होईची। टेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट रो सिंपल पास्ट को परिवर्तन होईची। क्वेश्चन मार्क परिवर्ते फुल स्टॉप व्यवहार होईची। Let us see another example. Example number 2. The following pattern is used to report a WH question. Ask plus person addressed plus WH word plus subject plus auxiliary verb man verb plus full stop. For example, Gopal said to Ram, "Where are you going?" In indirect speech, the answer will be Gopal asked Ram where he was going. गोपाल राम को कहिला तुमे केउठाकू जाउछ। गोपाल राम को पचारिला से केउठाकू जाइथिला। Remember the steps in direct question रे reporting verb said परिवर्ते asked व्यवहार होईची। Step number 2 WH question T sentence form को परिवर्तन होईची। pronoun you परिवर्ते pronoun he व्यवहार करा जाईची। indirect question रो verb subject possessive adverb गुड़िक statement रो नियम अनुଯାयी परिवर्तन हुए। tense present progressive रू past progressive को परिवर्तन होईची। प्रश्न चिन्ह क्वेश्चन मार्क परिवर्ते पूर्णछेद फुल स्टॉप व्यवहार होईची। let us see once again said reporting verb said परिवर्ते asked व्यवहार होईची। person addressed राम indirect speech रे जहाँ अछि डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे जहाँ अछि इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को तहाँ आसीची। WH word डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे जहाँ अछि इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्य तहाँ अछि। pronoun you परिवर्ते pronoun he व्यवहार करा जाईची काहेना एठी ऑब्जेक्ट राम जणे बालक अटे तेणु pronoun he होईची। tense present progressive रू past progressive को परिवर्तन होईची। main verb going जहाँ अछि as it is तहा indirect speech रे अछि। question mark परिवर्ते full stop व्यवहार होईची। so remember the steps let us see the table in present tense simple present will be changed to simple past tense. Rina said to Sita, what is your father? Rina asked Sita what her father was. Present progressive will be changed to past progressive. Ram said to Gopal, what are you doing? Ram asked Gopal what he was doing. Present perfect will be changed to past perfect. Father said to me, what have you written? Father asked me what I had written. Present perfect progressive will be changed to past perfect progressive. Raj said to Meena, what have you been doing? Raj asked Meena what she had been doing. Now let us see about past tense. Simple past will be changed to past perfect. Rina said to Sita, what did you eat? Rina asked Sita what she had eaten. Past progressive will be changed to past perfect progressive. Ram said to Gopal, what were you doing? Ram asked Gopal what he had been doing. Past perfect will be remain past perfect. Father said to me, what had you written? Father asked me what I had written. Past perfect progressive will be remained past perfect progressive. Raj said to Meena, what had you been doing? Raj asked Meena what she had been doing. No change. Now let us see about change of modals. See the table. Direct speech, indirect speech. Father said to me, when shall you go to Puri? Father asked me when I would go to Puri. So shall will be changed to would. Ram said to Sita, what will you do? Ram asked Sita what she would do. Sita said to her teacher, what will she be teaching? Sita asked her teacher what she would be teaching. He said to her, what will have you done by 4 p.m.? He asked her what she would have done by 4 p.m. She said to him, how shall have you been preparing your lesson? She asked me how he would have been preparing his lesson. Our next topic is how to change the yes-no questions into indirect speech. Let us see how a yes-no question is reported. The following pattern is used to report a yes-no question. Ask plus subject person addressed plus if or whether subject man verb object full stop. For example, Sita said to Gita, "Do you know me?" This is a yes no question. In indirect speech, it will be Sita asked Gita if or whether she knew her. सीता गीता को कहिला तुमे मते जान कि सीता गीता को पचारिला से ताको जानिथिला कि स्टेप नंबर 1 रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेट परिवर्ते आस्क्ड व्यवहार हुए डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन जदि ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रे आरंभ हुए ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जेपरि कि डू रे आरंभ होईछि इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन रे इफ और वेदर व्यवहार करा जाय यस नो क्वेश्चन टी सेंटेंस फॉर्म को परिवर्तन होईछि प्रोनाउन यू परिवर्ते प्रोनाउन सी व्यवहार करा जायछि टेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट रु सिंपल पास्ट को परिवर्तन होईछि ऑब्जेक्ट मी परिवर्ते पॉजिटिव हर व्यवहार होईछि क्वेश्चन मार्क परिवर्ते फुल स्टॉप व्यवहार हुई लेट अस सी वंस अगेन सेड परिवर्ते आस्क्ड व्यवहार हुए ऑब्जेक्ट पर्सन एड्रेस्ड इति गीता अछि एज इट इज ताहा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे रहिला ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब डू रे आरंभ होईछि तो यहाँ परिवर्ते इफ और वेदर व्यवहार हला सब्जेक्ट यू परिवर्ते सी व्यवहार होईछि टेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट रु सिंपल पास्ट को परिवर्तन होईछि ऑब्जेक्ट मी परिवर्ते पॉजिटिव हर व्यवहार होईछि क्वेश्चन मार्क परिवर्ते फुल स्टॉप व्यवहार हुई ट्राई टू रिमेंबर द स्टेप्स see the table in present tense for example in simple present Rina said to Sita do you play chess Rina asked Sita if or whether she played chess present progressive will be changed to past progressive Ram said to Gopal are you reading books Ram asked Gopal if or whether he was reading books present perfect will be changed to past perfect. Father said to me, have you eaten rice? Father asked me if or whether I had eaten rice. Present perfect progressive will be changed to past perfect progressive. Raj said to Meena, have you been writing stories? Raj asked Meena if or whether she had been writing stories. Now we will see the table in past tense. Simple past will be changed to past perfect. Rina said to Sita, did you see the picture? Rina asked Sita if or whether she had seen the picture. Past progressive will be changed to past perfect progressive. Ram said to Gopal, were you reading books? Ram asked Gopal if or whether he had been reading books. Past perfect will be changed to past perfect. No change. Father said to me, had you eaten rice? Father asked me if or whether I had eaten rice. Past perfect progressive. No change. Raj said to Meena, had you been writing stories? Raj asked Meena if or whether she had been writing stories. Change of modals. Let us know about the modals. Direct speech, indirect speech. Father said to me, shall you eat fish? Father asked me if or whether I would eat fish. Ram said to Sita, will you help me? Ram asked Sita if or whether she would help him. Radha said to Meena, can you speak Hindi? Radha asked Meena if or whether she could speak Hindi. The boy said, may I come in? The boy asked if or whether he might come in. Mohan said to Manoj, can you come to our home? Mohan asked Manoj if or whether she could come to their home. Next, he said, shall I go to market tomorrow? He asked if or whether he would go to market the next day. So, subscribe Saraswati Teaching to see all the videos. Click on the bell icon to see all the notifications. Share and give comments.